Bidding is today at 2 p.m. Don't miss this chance to own a two-story townhouse in Barangay Novaro, General Trias, Cavite at 40 to 50% below market value. Property details: two-story townhouse, inner lot, floor area 51 square meter, lot area 64 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 car garage. As is, where is. Starting bidding price 1,692,570. Reservation fee 50,000. Down payment 10%, 169,257. Bank home loan 90%, 1,523,313. Estimated monthly amortization 20 years, 12,970. Bank fees and transfer of title are not included. Mode of payment: PDC, manager's check, cash, or bank home loan. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now will guide you on how to join the bidding. Hassle-free. Act fast. This deal won't wait.